Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do an encore presentation of Eureka Crystal Beads Hearthside collection. That is their beautiful holiday collection. So just quickly, for those of you who aren't familiar with the collections, they are beautifully curated collection of beads, findings, all kinds of beady things, gorgeous high quality crystals and stones. Eureka Crystal Beads offers the collection on their website. It is not a subscription. It comes sometimes monthly, sometimes every couple of months. But it just, you know, they put it out there. You want to buy it, you buy it. You don't have to buy it. So no subscription involved at all. So one thing I wanted to let you know right now, in case you want to go get this, I have a coupon code for you, Christmas 20. It's $20 off this entire collection, and wait till you see the beads, and wait till you see what we're going to make with some of the beads for this collection. So hang on, we're going to sneak peek what we're going to make with some of the beads from this collection. And isn't this pretty? So we have another ornament cover, and my camera points straight down and it's fixed, so I'll have to just move the ornaments a little bit. So this is what it looks like. Really fun to make, using a lot of the beads from the collection. I added a couple of my own. I had this little stand that I bought on Amazon. You get 2 of them and they were very reasonable. I'll link them. I'll give you a link down below along with the link to the collection, and the coupon code will be down there as well. So don't forget to click the down arrow, show more, 3 dots, just more. I mean, there are many different ways depending on your device to have that box open. So just, you know, check under there and you'll see one of those ways on your device. So here it is. Okay, so I'm going to get started with the presentation, and we'll look at this a little bit closer as we go. Okay, surprise, surprise, I've taken everything out, and I'm going to still show you everything. Anyway, here's the little inspiration paragraph. Logs crackle in the fireplace as the warm glow illuminates the darkest days of winter, and so on. Here is the entire collection. Remember, Christmas 20. You get $20 off. That is amazing. With all the stuff in here, it is really amazing. Anyway, everything is listed by item name, and then you have Japanese seed beads, check glass, findings, crystal, Chinese crystal, preciosa crystal, acrylic beads, that's Krakowski crystal. This number tells you how many you're getting of that particular item, and this is the SKU number. You can pop that number in their search bar on their website anytime, and that particular item will come up. If there's more than one, you'll get one of that group. So here there are a couple here and a couple here. They're all gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's get a look at the beads. Okay, let's get a look at the seed beads. So I'll show you in the tube. I'm not going to pour them out, but this is that gorgeous Delica that is, I forget the name of it, but I think it's a galvanized champagne, rose champagne maybe. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous Delica. I love this color. This is one of my favorite new Delica colors. And then we've got this beautiful 11-0, which is a beautiful cream, like a silver lined cream color. See if I can focus a little better here. And then next up we have this beautiful emerald green that's like a silver lined emerald. Gorgeous. And then of course we've got I think this one, we've got our matte. This is matte, I think dark bronze. Very nice. And then we've got this beautiful, of course, very holiday red, sort of a transparent red color. So just a beautiful combination of Delica beads and seed beads that are perfect, like I said, for holiday, but for also beyond the holidays. Okay, next up we have these ginkgo leaf beads, and these beads are what I'm using for this ornament. And they work so well. And this is such a gorgeous color. What is the name of this? Antique something, right? Matte metallic antique gold. Very beautiful. Okay, continuing on, we have these gorgeous 6mm fire polish beads, and these are in a matte, very, very gorgeous, cool red. Then we've got the beautiful emerald green in a 4mm. And we've got this gorgeous flat twist 13x8mm check glass bead. And this is what I've also used in the ornament. And what you can do, like these drops aren't in here, so if you can always replace those drops with these. These are stunning. I love them. I borrowed a few from my from my sample there. And then we have fire polish 4mm. Whoops, sorry. We have 6x4mm check glass beads. And these are that gorgeous, this is like almost like a forest green. And then this guy is the 4mm fire polish, and that's a gorgeous sort of antique gold, and that goes like super well, look at that, with the the ginkgo bead. So you can, you know, you can kind of mix and match beads for if you're making the ornament. So those are our gorgeous, gorgeous check glass beads. I'll pop that in too, just like that. Beautiful. Okay, next up we have findings. I'm going to start with these mini charms, limited holiday edition. You get a bunch of them. Does it say how many? 3, 6, 9, 10 of them. And these are gorgeous. And I have these, I use these in these little frames here that will be coming up. So I kind of attached it there. So how pretty is that? Okay, next up we have Frame Link Circle 3-hole connector. You get 2 of them, so gorgeous for a pair of earrings. And I love the gold on that. It's not that shocking yellow, you know, sort of gold. It's sort of a muted gold. I love that color. It's such a pretty gold. So love those pair of earrings. You can even hang, there's a little hole right there. You can even hang one of those, one of these drops, or all of them. You just add a little jump ring. Oh, wouldn't that be cute? So what if we took this and then, you know, 1, 2, 3, and made some really pretty holiday earrings. Okay, next up we have these link flower connector. You get 4. So these are 2-sided connectors, and it's a really pretty sort of filigree flower. Isn't that gorgeous? Love. Okay, next up is the link square flower connector. You get 4 of those, and that's what I used on the ornament. So here I took the square connector, I connected it here, and I put one of those little mini charms right in the middle, and I just think it's so cute. So here you go. These are very beautiful. Again, a really nice color gold. Very pretty. Okay, next up we have some Rolo chain, and you get 2 pieces that are 2 feet long, and there's a very fine chain, and then some jump rings, which I really appreciate because I use those jump rings to connect my little, the little mini charms to the frame link, and then I use it to connect to the ornament. So it was great that those were in there. We have these pine cone charms, and you get 10 of them, and you can really replace any of the beads here, any of the drop beads with these pine cones. So I think that would be really pretty on the ornament as well. Next up is the Krakowski crystal, and seriously, I mean, I can't believe how much stuff is in here, and $20 off. This is such a bargain. Okay, we have a crystal mix, and here you have these some 14 millimeter rivulets. I think that's a sunburst or something. And then these beautiful sort of emerald green. Not quite emerald green. They're a beautiful green though. Love it. Gorgeous. Look at these ruby red chatons and these gorgeous patina trillion stones. Not pretty. So that's just some of the crystals that you're getting. Really pretty. These are gorgeous. Look at the sparkle. And they're such good quality. Hello, beautiful. Look at that stone. That is I think it's a 30 by 40 millimeter teardrop, and a stunner. Hello. Isn't that just gorgeous? And look at the quality. This is beautiful. Okay, next up we have these 10 by 14 millimeter teardrop stones, and isn't that a gorgeous color? This looks beautiful with the chatons or any of these colors. Just gorgeous. Beautiful sparkle. Love it. Okay, next up we have some Chinese crystal rondelles, and these look like they're all 2 by 3 millimeter. So we've got a couple of beautiful reds and a cream. We've got a green, oops, and a gold. Look at all these beads. There's so many of them. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at these beautiful colors. So how many strands did I have? 5 strands of these, and I think they're about 150 beads to a strand, approximately. I mean, don't quote me on that. Could be more. Okay, next up with this gorgeous Preciosa bicone mix. Look at those beads. Preciosa has such gorgeous crystal. Look at how beautiful that is. These are 4 millimeter bicones, and I've used several of them in the ornament as well. But just gorgeous. Okay, last but not least, we have these 4 millimeter gold acrylic beads. And I love this acrylic bead for this ornament. It's perfect because it's getting heavy, you know, it gets heavier and heavier the more beads you add. And this gives it, you know, it makes it a little bit lighter, which is nice, so it doesn't drag down. So I've used this all the way around the edge here. So here you go. Here is your Hearthside collection. Don't forget to look in the description box below the video for the link to the collection. the coupon code Christmas20, so you get $20 off your collection. This ornament cover tutorial will be coming up very soon. All right, so take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.